Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a website which actually provides you 7 million tokens for totally free. This website is NaraRouter, N-A-R-A router. If you go to Google, simply type this, the very first website which comes. It's OpenAI compatible unified AI gateway, and it provides you up to 7 million tokens daily. So it's a very insane website. I'm using it for past 6 months. This is the official website, and they have given these examples as you can see right here. The documentation is also very good, and you can start for totally free. It provides up to 7 million tokens daily. So once you register here, free access stays locked until your Telegram account is linked. Prefer not to link Telegram. You can skip verification by topping $1. So once you sign up, you need to link your Telegram account. It's very simple. Click on this button and it will launch. Simply launch your Telegram app and simply click on start. Your Telegram account is now linked. You can return to the dashboard area. So it's very easy to actually do the verification. So just refresh your dashboard. So you can see your Telegram account is now linked. So that's all that you need to do. After that, you go to the API key section, and now as you can see right here guys, in the left hand corner of the screen, 7 million tokens. So you will get this 7 million tokens daily. So that's the main thing about this website. So I really love this website. So go to API key, click on create key, and just give it a name, and you can integrate with any provider: Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, GPT, Quen 3 coder. So the very safe way by which you can integrate this is installing an extension which is Cline. So Cline is a really good VS Code extension. Simply install this. It's got 5 million installs, and then go to settings, and once you open this, select from here OpenAI compatible, and then paste your API key. And right here in the base URL, what you need to type is, let me just open. So they have given this complete example, so I just want to get the base URL, so I will simply copy this base URL. I paste the base URL, and then whatever model that you're using, so you can go to the model section, and one such model is this one. So let me just paste the name. So it provides up to 7 million tokens. So OpenAI compatible, then you paste the base URL, API key, and model ID. Then simply say done, and simply type a message hi. So now it will be responding to you, communicating with the API and consuming the tokens. So just wait. Once it runs, it will respond to you. This is the official way by which you can use this API. Other ways by which you can use any AI coding agent such as Claude Code, Open Code, you have Gemini, GPT, Quen 3 coder. So you can install any agent and simply paste the base URL and API key. So Telegram required, join the required Telegram group channel and relink at settings to continue. So yeah, I think we already, let me just refresh. Telegram is linked. So yeah, so you just need to refresh. I think Telegram verification required. So click on Telegram. So you will see that. Okay, we also need to join this channel as well. So click on join channel. So after that, I think now it will be refreshed. So now all the Telegram channels have been joined, as you can see right here. And now if I try to retry, so this provides up to 7 million tokens. The requested model doesn't exist. So I think we do need to use a different model. So go to the model section, integration section. So here all the integrations are given to you. You can either NaraRouter, Open Code, Hermes Agent, Codex CLI, Claude CLI. So right here they have given the instructions. So Claude Opus 4.8. Let me just so you as you can see, Claude Opus is also present. So we paste this Claude Opus 4.8. So if I show you the billing section, guys, as you can see right here, we are inside the free plan and we get up to 10 requests per minute. This is the rate limit, and you get 7 million tokens each and every day. So it reset daily. So you get almost 7 million tokens every day. You can even top up by their plan as well. But I think the free plan is more than enough. It is saying requested model doesn't exist. I think we need to, yeah, so let me go to the model section. So these are 52 models are there. So let me copy this Memo model. So I pasted Memo version 2.5 free. So Memo is, as you all know, it's a very popular model. So just refresh and try to connect. So now as you can see, it is responding to us. So it just took some configuration. So these are the configuration: OpenAI compatible base URL, and then you paste the API key and model ID. These are the list of models which are totally free, 52 plus models, and we can ask any kind of question like this. Let's suppose top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So you can see that Glenn has a question. So as you can see, it is consuming these tokens. 26,000 tokens have been consumed. So it gives you this context window, clearly shows how much tokens you're consuming. So in this way, guys, you can use it in any coding agent. So it gives you the top 10 frameworks, as you can see right here. So you can see that. And now let me build out any kind of application. So exactly I tell it build index2.html, create a PDF editor. So it will try to build a index2.html file directly side by side, and you will see the actual coding start. So this is the model right here that we are using, Nemo. You can change this simply. We have Grok, we have Nemo, DeepSeek version, Flash, Tencent, Nemotron, Mistral. All these models are totally free to try. It gives you 7 million tokens. And if you see the usage section, it directly shows you how much request you made, tokens used, success rate, latency, everything is shown right here, which models you are actually using it. So definitely try this, guys. It's a really insane website which provides up to 7 million tokens, which is NaraRouter.